Krovna institucija štiriletnega projekta je Procurarte iz Lizbone, ki je k sodelovanju povabila 16 držav. Pravilo je, da se nihče od 32 izbranih umetnikov ne predstavlja v svoji državi. Tako Ptujčan Andrej Lamut trenutno razstavlja v Veliki Britaniji. Za Maribor je avtorje izbrala kuratorica s Finske, umetnostna zgodovinarka, zaposlena v Finskem muzeju fotografije.
The reason why I selected this artist in last February was that all they was producing a kind of processing questions about what is true, what is fake, what is fact, how we present things. Is there in fact any true? So this red line of this exhibition is that is there anything ordinary in ordinary life?
I think landscape is something everybody sees and everybody is confronted with, but it can also tell you more. So, for example, in my work, I was working with an historic background about an historic history of a certain place, and when you look closer to landscape, it reveals its history.
Ko nekaj pogledamo pobliže, ni več običajno, ampak se pred nami razkrijajo drugi pomeni. Recimo mitološko ozadje izginjajočega otoka ali pa portreti Francozinje Joséphine de Manet, s katerimi poskuša ujeti trenutke nepopolnosti, izgube nadzora in ranljivosti modelov. Italijanka Livia Sperado pa je fotografirala običajne predmete, ki so v vsakodnevni rabi tako običajni, da so že nevidni. Kako pa deluje na fotografiji? Finka Nita Vera pa je napisala avtofiktivne ljubezenske zgodbe ter sodelovala s psihoterapevti in gledališkimi ustvarjalci.
I wrote a story and then I invited an actor to act to read the story, and then in these videos he's teaching me how to act my own stories. So something that the stories are from my own life. So I'm like trying to act with an actor, but I'm really not an actress, so I'm really in my I'm not in my comfort zone, because I think like for people it's more easier to read an artwork when it's really close to somebody, and then you can connect more to something personal.
Razstava, ki nosi naslov po citatu Oskarja Wilda, resnica je redko nedolžna in nikoli preprosta, je na ogled do 16. junija.